In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your site name in Wix. Hi, my name is Tracy from paulandtracy.com. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. To change your Wix site name, you'll need to first log into your Wix account. From your My Sites page, hover over your website and click Select Site. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. And then under General, click Website Settings. Here you can change your site name as it appears in your Wix dashboard and My Sites page. It can be anywhere between 1 and 20 characters long. To confirm your changes, click Save. One thing to note is that updating your site name here won't affect your page titles that show up in Google and in the browser tabs. To optimize your web page titles and how they appear in the search engines, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor and update your site name there too. I'll show you how to do that now. In the Wix editor, open the Menus and Pages button on the left. Make sure the home page is selected and then click on the 3 dots to the right. Select SEO Google. This is where you can optimize your page titles and page descriptions for the search engines. The standard format is page name and then site name, in this case home and then whatever your site name is. Taking the time to customize your page titles is well worth it because when people see your website in the search engines, they can see at a glance what your page is about, making it more likely for them to click on it and then come to your website. And Wix gives you greater control over what people will see, making it easy for you to customize and make changes to the little things that make a big difference to your overall website success. So to confirm your new page title, simply click Publish. One thing to bear in mind is that it does take some time before the changes you've made to your page title are then updated on Google. If you found this Wix website tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps us a lot. And if you have any Wix website tips of your own or have any questions about the video or suggestions for what you'd like to see videos on, then please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.